Hello, today I'm going to show you how to analyze the results of a .NET script in Silk Test Workbench. I've recorded a very basic .NET script here, as you can see. And I've also put two verifies in it, one which I know is going to pass, and one which I know is going to fail because I've changed the expected text. As you can see here, this one will pass because they match. This is the one that will fail because I've added in a 1. Here are the results of the test. I've just run it against our demo Borland site. This is the summary tab here. This little button allows you to manage filters. You can add in a filter to just show certain results, to just show certain runs and so on. You can add, edit, duplicate, delete and apply your filter. You can have your filters as personal or public, and you can show either just your personal filters, just your public filters, or all your filters. This drop down would be where you would apply any filters that you have. So here we could just see any steps that failed or passed. This allows you to change the criteria of your test. At the moment my pass criteria is 100%, so every step has to pass for the test to pass. If I change this to, for example, 50%, only half my steps would have to pass. This button allows us to show all the runs rather than just the current or last run. This allows us to refresh, and these buttons allow us to change the view, basic or advanced. In the summary here we have the overall result. For run 10, it failed due to my criteria being set at 100%, and we can see that only 50% of them passed. If we aborted, we would see here the reason for abort. It says not applicable because we didn't. This is our latest test run number. We can go back and view each test run in turn if we want by clicking on that number. So here would be number 9, and then just close it using that X. This is the title of our test. There's room also for a description of the test and the results. We have here the verifications which passed out of 2, the verifications which failed out of 2. If we had any flags, it would list it here. You can see the start time of the test, the end time of the test, how long it took to run, how many steps there are, and playback settings. At the moment I just have system defaults, but we can change them by going to the edit button. For example, we could change timing, we could change hotkeys, different things like this. So in the pass tab, this shows us the verifications that passed. So we can see here the step that passed, whether it passed or failed, what line number it was on, what time, how many milliseconds it took for this step, which test it was from, which machine it was ran on, and again that's shown here. We also have the same information for the failed step, what kind it was, so it was a verification, it failed, the expected, and what we actually got, the line number, time, name, machine. We have no flags in our test, but they would be listed in here. And the details show each step in turn, what the step was, the line number, the date and time it was ran on. The green and the red show the passed and failed verifications. Thank you very much for watching today.